Alright guys, so here we go for the rock challenge for these two, the Kyosho and the Axial, and it's coming up to you next right here on No Pros RC.
Welcome to No Pros RC.
Enemies.
Rock crawling challenge. Not again. SCX24 G-Coins.
Bruh.
Another one.
A few moments later.
Okay, so with much effort, she made it up there.
Downhill test.
Okay guys, so now I found a puddle of water and we're going to do the water test.
Kyosho Mini-Z wins. Small trail test No Pros RC. Who won it? That's for you to decide. We like them both. Everything depends on the driver's skill set and the RC. Once we upgrade the Kyosho tires, we will run more tests. Until then, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell. By the way, my name is Zamora. I will be No Pros RC AI assistant in future videos. It's a pleasure to meet you all. Until next time, farewell.
Thanks for watching. Like and comment, don't forget to watch more, subscribe.